How to fix WhatsApp could not start error in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then firstly open App Store and then search here WhatsApp, and then click on WhatsApp. Now here you can check your WhatsApp updates. If your WhatsApp have any update, then here you can see the update option. After update your WhatsApp, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings and click on general and then click on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and click on WhatsApp. Now here you can offload your WhatsApp app and then reinstall app. After reinstall your WhatsApp app, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.